Hey, once again, welcome to all the parents. It's a wonderful evening on a Monday evening. Welcome to all of you. As you know, you're here for the Life Skills Camp, which is part of the Samarthya signature program called Ananda in association with, of course, SNCC Rehab Foundation. I'm going to just take 1 minute or two maybe to introduce a little bit about Samarthya and myself, and Harshali will do the same. And then we will jump right into the camp for which you all are here. Um, it's a lot of information on the website. I just want to say I'm Shivani Pandit. I'm a special educator. I've been working with children with autism and intellectual disabilities in the United States for the past 25 years. It's my pleasure to be connected to each one of you. I run the Samarthya Foundation from United States, but all my programs or projects are focused for all of you parents out there. And some of our current program offerings that we are providing are intensive parent trainings via Zoom due to the pandemic, of course. So I work with parents one-on-one and provide trainings on um, activities and strategies that they can use at home with their children, whether you have a child with autism or you have a child with intellectual disability. And I provide these sessions in English, Hindi, and Marathi. We did an amazing session in collaboration with SNCC in Marathi, and I think that was an amazing session. And also, I want to share that Samarthya resources, we provide free programming to support parents, whether it's consultation and coaching for mothers. I do that one-on-one free sessions. We also provide one-on-one intervention for children who have autism or IDD. Through Zoom, we are able to provide intervention services as well. And then, of course, there are financial literacy sessions that we do in collaboration with SNCC. We provide inclusive storytelling sessions for children, yoga sessions for mothers, art session for children, again, of all abilities. And finally, I'm extremely happy and proud to be able to provide free camps, whether it's the creative camp or the movement camp we did before, or this one, the life skills camp. And we're also going to be working on a computer skills camp in collaboration with SNCC. So all these camps are being able to provide these for free to you gives me a lot of joy and satisfaction. So again, welcome to all of you. So I just want to share that if you are interested in any of the programs that I mentioned, any of the sessions, you can contact us. Our website is here. My email is here. You can personally contact me, or my phone number as well is given. And of course, today with us, we have Akanksha Naik, who's program manager for Samarthya Foundation, and our creative camp facilitator. Akanksha, say hello. I think everybody knows Akanksha probably by now. Akanksha Didi ko sab jante hain. But she's back here again with the life skills camp. So we are excited to provide this for you. We also have with us Ruta Bakkar and Rucha Bakkar, who are two of Samarthya's interns. They're going to be in the sessions as well. Ruta and Rucha, if you're here, say hello to everybody. Um, and again, I'm going to just quickly introduce my very dear friend and something is going on with my slides today. All right, let's try again. Okay, here we have our very own Miss Harshali Kharche that I think each one of you knows her very well. She's someone I love working with. She's someone I love collaborating with. I deeply admire and respect Harshali. And for you all, she's a super mom, right? So with SNCC's collaboration, we are here for this Camp Ananda. And I would love for Harshali to share a few words uh, about SNCC. Okay, let's see. There we go.
Thank
All
you
right.
so much, Didi and Samarthya Foundation team. I mean, it's so nice to connect with Samarthya Foundation and team, and especially Akanksha is like now it's integral part of our life, and my kids also like they're just waiting when we are meeting Akanksha Di and all. So, just briefly, I'll just what are now what is SNCC and Rehab Foundation. We are here working on empowerment of parents, even kids. We want to reach out to all the sectors of the this parent. Say mental health, kids health, and kids overall development in terms of everything. Some programs of parent training and webinars, all those things. I mean, this camps, this is all part of all our mission. So I'll not go through this, but you know what we are doing. And it's a great pleasure actually that Shivani Di and me always thinking on the similar lines. And it's so nice to, I mean, connect with some person that working compassionately in spite of being in professional in this line. I mean, she is so compassionate about we about parents. So happy to do this. So I'll not take much of a time, and I will say we can continue our camp for today.
Thank you so much, Shivani ma'am. Thank you so much, Harshali ma'am. And okay, so good evening, all of you. This is Akanksha Naik. And I can see a lot of faces from the creative camp and a lot of new faces coming up to me. So yes, hi everyone. So this is how we say hi in class, okay? We don't say hi by speaking, but we do actions. So this is how we say hi. So hi all of you. Hello. Good evening. Yes, great. So I am going to quickly tell you what are going to be a few instructions. Now we are going to be with us for 10 days. 10 days we are going to be together. So there are few things that we need to follow. कुछ ऐसे instructions है जो हम follow करेंगे so that it will be more of fun. So first and foremost is that you all are very beautiful and handsome people. Okay, right? Both beautiful and handsome ho na sab? This is a yes, this is a no. So are you all handsome and beautiful? Yes? Good. So for that, your video needs to be switched on all the time. Okay, so that I can see you, I can look at you. Whatever I'm telling you, are you able to follow that or not? I will able to look at that. So your videos will be switched on. But our audios will be on mute, because agar everyone will unmute themselves, then I won't be able to hear you properly, and you also won't be able to listen to me properly. So you all will keep your audios on mute, but videos switched on. And whenever we have to talk, agar hame baat karni hai, if you want to talk to me or if you want to say anything, so you can just raise your hand. You can raise your hand like this, or there is an option to raise hand in, you know, in your on your screen itself. There is an option. So you can always raise your hand if you want to say something. Another last instruction is whenever I ask you any question, if the answer is yes or no. So this is how we say yes, and this is how we say no. So are you excited for the camp? Are you excited for the camp? So this is a yes, this is a no. Okay, so I can see a lot of thumbs up. Yes. So this is a yes. Okay. Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy? If you are not feeling sleepy, then show me a no. Great. Great. So this is how we say hi. This is how we say yes. This is how we say no. And this is how we are going to say bye-bye in the end. Okay. So these signs you have to remember. Okay. अब सब याद रखना है for next 10 days. अभी हमको याद रहेगा कि हमें क्या कौन सी साइंस डालनी है. Okay, great. So I guess we are good to go, and this is my bedroom. I am currently sitting in my bedroom. Are you all sitting in your bedroom? Are you all sitting in your bedroom? Great. Okay. All right. Nice. So today what we are going to do is we are going to do things in our bedroom. आज जो कुछ हम activity करने वाले हैं, whatever activity that we are going to do it in our bedroom. So where do you all sleep? Anyone can unmute and answer. Where do we sleep? कहाँ सोते हैं हम? Where do we sleep?
Ma'am, on the bedroom.
bedroom.
Yes.
bedroom
Yes.
bed पर सोता हूँ.
I'm on the bedroom.
Very good.
bedroom ma'am, bedroom.
Very good. Yes, very nice. So we all sleep in our bedroom. We all sleep on our bed. Okay. So when we sleep on our bed, अगर आपके आसपास कचरा है, if there is a chocolate wrapper, if there is रात का खाना, दाल चावल बेड पे गिरा है, everything is there, will you be able to sleep? Yes or no? Will you be able to sleep with wrappers around you? No, right? We will sleep at night and हमें सब जगह पे चुभेगा, सुबह हम उठेंगे, सब हाथ में राइस लगा है, रोटी है, we will not feel good about it. So it is very important that every day before we go off to sleep, जब हम रोज सोने जाते हैं, and in the morning when we get up, we need to clean our bed. And I can see all my kids are so beautiful and all my kids are so grown up. So by now, you should able to make your own bed. At this age, you might be 7 years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, you should able to make your bed. How we make our bed? Mama रोज बना के देती है ना bed. She keeps her pillow, she keeps her blanket at place. You go off to sleep, then she will put blanket over you. Yes, but what we are going to do today, we are going to make our bed. So what I want you all to do is, you all are going to get up and you all are going to follow my instructions. हम सब instructions follow करेंगे and you all are going to make your own bed. रात को आपने बनाए हुए बिस्तर पे आपने सोना है. Okay? So Harshali ma'am and Ruta, any one of you, please let me know if I'm not audible or if I go out of the screen. Just please let me know once. And yes, so what I want you all to do is, you all are going to stand up and you all are going to make your bed. So quickly, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Yes, very nice. Now, first thing we are going to do is, you will remove your bed sheets. Remove your bed sheets quickly. Remove your bed sheets. Remove your bed sheets. Yes. Remove. I have removed my bed sheet. And do like this. Do like this. What will happen? Whatever that is there on this bed sheet, maybe chocolate, anything, or you might be sitting and studying on this bed, so pencil sharpen kiya hai, anything that is on bed, it will get off. So yes, very good.
मैम मैडम एक मिनट, जैसे मेरी बेटी को थोड़ा पाँव में थोड़ी दिक्कत है, तो मैं उसको बेडशीट हाथ में दे दूं, ये पकड़ के चलता है.
Sure ma'am,
Can I
चलेगा,
give
कोई
him
problem.
bedsheets in his hands?
No problem ma'am. Yes, you can
वो
do
थोड़ा
that.
restricted movement है इसका. Thank you ma'am.
मैम आप दे सकते हो, आप दे सकते हो, हाथ में दे सकते हो, no problem. Yes.
Yeah, just want to tell parents that we are having a different kind of kids and different age of kids. So you can customize the things according to your child. I mean, if anybody can understand or नहीं कर पा रहे, तो आप उसके हिसाब से customize करें. सारे life skills, मतलब 10 दिन के लिए बता रही हूँ कि
या थोड़ा आप देख के मैम इन लोग को encourage करिएगा, तो they will feel
yes,
better
yes, yes,
in whatever way they are doing, ma'am.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
All the parents, yes, as Harshali ma'am said, you can customize according to the need of the child, the age of the child. If the child is also sitting in one place and doing this, it's still fine. It is important for them to do it. So we are totally okay with it. And so we are going to do it like this. So everyone do it. Yes. Okay. Now you can see my bed. I'm going to quickly put this on my bed.
मीटिंग सुरू होती, त्याच्यात काय करून टाकलं हिला तू?
Yes, parents, if the kids are small, you can help them with putting up the bed sheet. Yes, kids, show me your bed sheets now. Okay. Wow. Wow. Very nice. I can see Amitosh doing it. Omkar, Vaibhav, Aishwarya, Manas, Ishan, Irfan. Good. Sarvadnya, good. Now nothing will be there on bed, okay? Just bed sheet. No blanket, no pillow, nothing. Only bed sheet. Only bed sheet will be there. Very good, Hardik. Benjamin. Good. Good. Dave. Good, Sarah. Very nice. I can see you all. Whose videos are on, I can see you all. Very good, Sai. अभिज्ञान वेरी नाइस आपने कर लिया देव बहुत अच्छे से किया है गुड अंश वेरी नाइस वेरी गुड श्रेयस अथर्व वेरी नाइस all of you okay see only bed sheet will be there okay no blanket yes Ishita hi Ishita very good Ishita baby very nice I don't want anything on yes I don't want anything on bed other than your bed sheet okay so you can see my pillow and my blanket is here it's not on bed okay great now next step what we are going to do is I am going to teach you how to fold a blanket हम कैसे fold करते हैं हम रख देते हैं ना we keep it like this mama कर लेगी mom will do it we don't fold it right so now today I'm going to teach you how to fold it so that you yourself can fold it for younger kids what I would suggest is instead of giving them blanket you can use a napkin to teach them basic folding so because blanket will be too big for them you can give them napkin to teach them how to fold napkin or hanky will work but for the older kids for the bigger one we are going to teach them how to fold a blanket so again I'm standing if you will sit down and fold it will go on the floor पे चला जाएगा मिट्टी लग सकती है so what are we going to do we will stand and we are going to fold our blanket. So you can see, first of all, tell me, what is the shape of the blanket or your napkin? What is the shape?
Rectangle, ma'am.
Is it a square? Is it a rectangular?
Rectangular.
Rectangular.
Yes, rectangular shape.
ma'am. Bolo. Square shape, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, it's a rectangular shape. Two sides are longer. Okay. Yes, it's a rectangular shape. All right. So what are we going to do first? We will take these two sides for older kids. I am doing it. Okay. Then I will teach the younger kids. So we'll take these two sides of rectangular and just fold it like this. Fold it like this. Hold it. Yes. Again, turn and hold both of them and fold it like this. Wow, I can see the kids really trying it. Good. Good. And then comes my last fold, which is again a rectangle. Now this is a rectangle or this is a square?
Man down.
Rectangle. बोलो. Rectangle. Rectangle.
Yes.
Rectangular.
Good. This is a rectangular.
Rectangular.
Yes, Ishan, it's a rectangular. Good. Now, for younger kids, I will do it. For younger kids, I am doing it with a napkin. Quickly hold the tips of your napkin. I will go bilingual, Hindi and English. ये जो napkin है आपके, इसके tips को पकड़िए 2 उंगलियों से, okay? You will only hold it with 2 fingers, not with your complete hand. Only with 2 fingers. Hold it with 2 fingers. Hold it like this. Yes, ये हो गया 2. Then again going to fold it like this. And last one like this. This is for the younger kids who can't hold blankets. They are really small. For them, we are doing it with a napkin. Okay. Good. I can really see Ishita, Athar, Manas, Shreyash, Dev, Aishwarya, Anupama. Great. Very good. Vihan. He's smiling. Very nice. Hardik, good. Aryan, good. Ashutosh, good. I can see an ID name iPhone. If you could just tell your child's name. Yes. That's a request to parents. Please save it with your child's name.
मेरे बेटे का नाम
Ma'am, please, one by one. Yes. Yes, Pranjali.
Ma'am, my son's
Pranjali,
name is Krishna. My name is
Okay.
Anupama.
Okay, Krishna and Anupama. Yes, so that's a request to all the parents. If you can just change the user ID to their child's name, so that even they feel appreciated when I take their name.
Man.
Do it while you are in the meeting itself. Very good. Sarah, yes, Sarah. Very nice, bacha. Very nice. I can see everyone trying and doing it. Very good. Aryan, Hardik. Very nice. Tanush, very good. Very good. Yes, very nice. So nicely you're doing it.
मैम ओनी
Abhiraj, Oni. Very good. Okay. Now, okay. Now I am going to teach you one trick. I'm going to tell you one trick. Okay. So, when we sleep, okay, when we sleep at night and when we get up in the morning, जब हम रात को सोते हैं और जब हम सुबह उठते हैं, that time your blanket, okay, your blanket should be
बोलो ऐसे
when
दिखाओ
you put your blanket should be where you put your head. Okay, so this is my pillow. This is my pillow. I'm placing my pillow here. And in the morning when I will fold my blanket will come here. Okay. In the morning when we fold our blanket, जब हम सुबह सुबह उठते हैं, that time your blanket should be above your head. But if you all take afternoon naps, अगर हमको सबको दोपहर को सोने में बहुत मजा आता है, you like sleeping in the afternoon? Afternoon nap पसंद है? Yes or no? Yes or no? So those who take afternoon nap, those who sleep in the afternoon, what are you going to do? It is not like आप दोपहर को सो के उठ गए, you got up in the afternoon, अब क्या blanket fold करना है? Now we will not fold our blanket. थोड़ी देर बाद सोना ही तो है. We will not do like that. We will not say कि we have to sleep at night, so we will not fold our blanket. We will again fold our blanket, but after our afternoon nap, we will place our blanket near your leg. Okay. So that time your blanket should be where you place your legs. Your blanket should be here after your afternoon nap. But in the morning, after you are done sleeping, your blanket should be there below your pillow. Okay, all of you? So now you have got to know the two places where you can keep your blanket. Your blanket should not be lying here and there. Blanket यहाँ वहाँ नहीं फेंकना है, या blanket ऐसे 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 करके नहीं रखना है. We will fold it properly and we will keep it either on our pillow where we place our head or near your foot when you sleep. Yes, I will repeat the same in Hindi. I can see few faces. So बच्चों, जब हम रात को सो के उठते हैं सुबह, तब हमारा ब्लैंकेट फोल्ड करके हमने पिलो के ऊपर रख देना है. बट अगर आप दोपहर को सो के उठते हो, उसके बाद जब आप अपना ब्लैंकेट फोल्ड करते हो, उस समय आपने अपना ब्लैंकेट अपने पैरों के पास रखना है. जहां पे हम सोते हैं वहां पे हमारे पैर होते हैं, पैरों के वहां पे बेड के एंड में we will place our blanket. Okay, understood up till here? यहाँ तक समझ आ गया है? Now can everyone show me how they have made their bed? क्या आप सब मुझे दिखा सकते हो how you have made your bed so that we can move forward?
Ma'am,
Yes, Sarah.
actually I do it a different way.
Yes, baby. What happened?
I do it a different way.
Okay, that's nice. Yes, so now everyone is going to show me how they place their blanket and their on
Ma'am,
their bed.
done. Ma'am, done.
Good. You're not going to sleep on the bed right now. Okay? You're not going to sleep. Yes. Very nice. Very good.
Akansha ma'am.
Yes. I can see Vishnu. I can see Manas, Ishita, Mahi.
Ma'am.
Very nice. Hardik.
Akansha ma'am, our
Yes.
camera is not working, so I have sent you a video in the group
Okay,
for
ma'am.
Akshat. Akshat,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you can appreciate him if he has done it rightly, so you can also appreciate him. That works. Yes, very good, Vedant. Ishan, very nice. Very nice. Very good. Good. Abhiraj, I can see he has made his bed and now he's sitting on his bed. So you like it, right? When your bed is clean, you feel like sitting on bed, right? But if the bed is messy, will you feel sitting on it? अगर हमारा बेड बहुत मेसी है, उसमें बहुत ज्यादा कचरा है या फिर मिट्टी है, तो बैठना पसंद करोगे? Yes or no? Will you like sitting on your bed or yes or no? No, right? So, yes. So we have to clean our bed every day. It is not like आज किया है तो now tomorrow mama will do it or papa will do it. I don't want to clean it. If we sleep on that bed, we should clean our bed daily. Okay, all of you? The smaller kids, you can try it with hanky. Once you grow big, then you can try with the blanket. Okay, great. Okay, now this is too much for the kids today being the first day. You all can take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out. You can sit, have water, then we move to the next one. Okay, you can sit, have water. And those whose videos are switched off, I hope that the kids are doing it nicely. The kids are doing it properly. Parents, if you feel that my voice is not clear or I am getting it too fast, please let me know. अगर ये बच्चे के लिए बहुत fast हो रहा है तो, and don't pressurize or don't force the kids to do it the way I am teaching them to do it. Even if they take a small step, that's more than enough for us.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sarah. You're on mute.
I do like this.
Beautiful. Very nice, Sarah. Very nice, all of you. I can see the kids sitting on bed. That's so good to see. All right.
Oh,
Okay.
Akanksha ma'am, I just love how everybody's bed is so nice and clean. All the colorful bed sheets we can see, the beds are super clean. Excellent job to all the kids. I'm going to clap for all of you.
Yes. The kids are doing great job. Clap for yourself.
Yes, wonderfully done. Wonderfully done. Good job to all of you.
Great. Very nice. Everyone clap for themselves. Very good. Very good. All right. I can see everyone is back. Everyone is back at their places. Now we go to the next part. Now I am going to teach you the next part, which is how to do dusting or how to clean the side table. Side table मतलब क्या होता है? Can anyone tell me what is a side table?
जो सोफे के सामने होता है,
Ma'am,
सोफा के आगे होता है,
something.
सोफे के आगे, टेबल के पास, सॉरी डोर के पास,
Very
जिस पे हम
good. Yes.
कुछ रखते हैं. अच्छा उठ तो जाओ, मम्मा ने नहीं
Yes.
बोलना, विधान ने बोलना है.
Very nice. Yes, Aishwarya, you are saying something?
घर के सामने
Huh?
मैम टेबल.
Yes, बेड के साइड में जो टेबल होता है या सामने जो टेबल होता है. Good. Yes, Sarah.
Side table is something like this.
Baby, that's a dining table. Okay, it's a big table, right? So that is a dining table. Side table is usually small in size and it has got drawers. Something which might be there in mama papa's room, जहाँ पे mama creams रखती है, perfume रखती है या powder का box रखती है. So that is a side table which is near our mirror or something that is in hall. Okay, जहाँ पे हम newspaper stack करके रखते हैं. So side table is anything which is small in size. You can see here, ma'am has got a side table, and I am going to teach you. I am going to show it to you how we should clean the side table, right? So क्या होता है हमारे side table में usually there are lotion, there is powder, perfume, comb और क्या क्या चीजें हैं. देखो अपने side table में क्या क्या है. Tell me what all you have got near your side table.
I have a lamp clock.
Body lotion. Alarm clock, body lotion. Very good.
Okay.
What else is there?
Ma'am.
Oil is there. Okay, Ashutosh is okay. Lotion,
Water bottle and phone.
water bottle and phone. Very good.
And comb and
Yes.
sunscreen powder.
Very good. Powder, screen. Very nice. Very good. चलो तो फिर उसको clean करें. Let's see how it looks. Yes, we need to clean it, right? Because we use it every day and the powder might spill over या फिर कुछ वहाँ पे गिरा हुआ है. So we have to clean it, right? So we are going to now clean it and I'm going to show you how it's done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम साइड टेबल तो नहीं, स्टडी टेबल लगाया हुआ है एक्चुअली.
मैम चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
मैम बुक्स है वो लुक है.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Yes. Anything that is there in the bedroom that needs to be cleaned by the child, we are making the children independent with their work. So even if they don't have side table, the study table where they sit and they study, that can be cleaned as well. So chalo, let's go. Let's clean our side table. Just wait a minute. Okay. So I am back. I am near my side table. And firstly, I'm going to show you what all is there on my side table. And it's very messy. Ma'am ka side table bahut kharab hai. And that needs to be cleaned. My side table is very dirty and I have to clean it. Okay. So what are we going to do first? We will take out everything and we will keep it down. Okay. So this is this pouch. I have got a pouch. So I will keep it down. I have got this octopus. Can you see? Octopus. Yes, I have got a smiling octopus. So I will keep that down. I have got powder and perfumes. So first step is keep everything down. सबसे पहले सबको नीचे रख दीजिए. Keep everything on floor. Quickly. Keep everything on floor. Keep everything on floor. Quickly. If you are using your study table, you can keep the notebooks on floor or on table. Anything will do. Okay. Keep everything on floor. Okay, I need to mute everyone because that is creating disturbance. All right. Okay. See, my table is all clear now. All clear. Now we will take a dirty cloth. Ganda kapda. Take a dirty cloth. Take a dirty cloth.
Ma'am, table clear hai.
Table clear hai. Baby, that's not a study table. That's a big table. It has got your desktop and everything. I need a small table.
मैं इसी में कंप्यूटर में काम करता हूँ मैम.
Okay, but where you keep your perfume or you keep your powder and anything, the night routines. Okay, yes. Now take a dirty cloth. Okay, I can see everything down on floor. Take a dirty cloth.
मैम
Okay.
क्रिश कर रहा है, देखिएगा मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Vedant is also doing it.
Okay. Now with this dirty cloth, what are we going to do? Just look at ma'am. What ma'am is doing. Put and pull. रखो और खींचो. Put and pull. We don't have to do it like this. We will not clean like this. We will just keep it like this and we will pull. So everyone, keep your cloth like this and pull. Okay? I can see Amitosh doing it.
Okay,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Very nice. Everyone is doing it. So we will just keep it like this and we will pull. Okay? Why we have to do it like this? Because if there is a lot of dust here, it should not go in your mouth. It should not go in your... Yes, very nice. It should not go in your mouth. It should not go in your nose. It should not go anywhere. So we just have to put it like this and we pull. Very good, Mahi. Very nice, all of you. Okay. So now my table is clean. But जो कुछ हमने सामान यहाँ पे नीचे रखा है, everything that we kept down, we have to place it again, right? ये तो सब कुछ वापस रखना पड़ेगा. My octopus needs to be back at its place. But what are we going to do? हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We will place everything by its size. You all can understand size, right? So, which one is bigger? Okay, this is too difficult to understand. Which one is bigger? The sponge bottle or this? Both.
Bottle.
Yes.
Ma'am, sponge.
Powder.
Powder.
Yes.
Powder bottle.
Yes.
Powder bottle.
Yes, powder bottle, right. So the objects which are big in size, or the objects, okay, we will place it, yes, we will place in the end. So जो चीजें बड़ी है, आप देखो आपके पास कौन सी चीजें बड़ी है, big in size, we will place it in the end. Place it in the end. Size, according to size, we are going to place it. Place it according to size. Place it according to size. Place it according to size. I have to change again and again because the size are not matching. Place it according to size. From big to small. From big to small. See how I have placed it from big to small. Everyone do it. Size के हिसाब से, okay? You all know sizes. You all understand sizes. My kids are very smart enough. So place it according to size. Place it according to size. Everyone? Good, you have to show it to me, okay? Very good, Mahi. Very nice. I can see it is placed in size. Good. Everyone show it to me how it's done. Place it according to size. From big to small. My box will come here. Now tell me, you will tell me, where will I place this? It has got no size as such. So ये जिसको कहाँ रखेंगे हम? Where should I keep this?
Back.
In the middle.
Keep it in the middle.
Back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, looks good. Looks good. Very nice. Okay. So we will keep this in middle. So if you have if you have a lamp or if you have a clock, now I have got octopus, but if you have alarm clock, you will place that in middle. Okay? And your lotions, your powder, your cream, everything will go at the back. All right, all of you? All of you? Yes? Show me a thumbs up. Great. Now I want to see everyone's table. Everyone, any table which you have cleaned, I want to know. If you are cleaning your study table, what are you going to do? You are going to place your notebooks according to size again, size and their shapes. Very nice. I can see Ashutosh. I can see Ashutosh's screen. I can see Sai, Nikit. Okay, Amitosh. Yes, Amitosh, place it according to size.
Ma'am, ये देखो.
The bottles will come. The bottles will be at the back. Right? The bottles will be at the back. Very good, Suyash. Very nice. Yes, Manas. Very good. But Manas, the bottle is so big. So where will the bottle be? Bottle कहाँ रहेगी हमारी? Bigger objects always go at the back. हम जब स्कूल जाते तब सबसे बड़ा बच्चा आगे खड़ा होता है या सबसे पीछे खड़ा होता है? When we used to go to school, you all used to go to school, right? Before this pandemic. So the small kids stand at front and the big kids stand at back. Yes, पीछे. So वैसे ही the big bottles and the lotion boxes and everything will go at back and smaller things will be at front. Very nice, Sarah. Very nice. I can see Mickey Mouse. I can see Teddy. Very good. Very good, Aryan. Good. Dave, you have cleaned your table, right? I saw you doing it. Very nice. Good. Yes, bacha? Okay. बहुत अच्छा. Aishwarya, you cleaned it so nicely. Very good. I can see kids are still doing it. Donash is doing something. Okay. Somitra, Benny. Okay. Utkarsh. Very nice. Ananya, very good. Very good, all of you.
We can
Very
This is Rachit's one.
WhatsApp. Akshat is also doing good.
Yes. Today the kids are so energetic and so many videos are on. It is taking me time to take everyone's name. But for sure, I will call out everyone. Keep doing the good work. Yes. Yay. Very nice.
How nicely all the cleaning is happening today. फर्स्ट बेड बनाया, अभी टेबल की डस्टिंग करी. क्या बात है. वेल डन टू ऑल द चिल्ड्रन.
Very good. Nice, nice, very nice. Very nice. Now you only tell me, अब हमने बेडरूम में जो बहुत दो important चीजें हैं, two important things which we cleaned. One was our bed, second one was our side table. अब आपको क्या लगता है? आसपास देखिए, look around. What do you think needs to be cleaned? What do you think needs to be cleaned?
Ma'am, Almeida.
Almeida. We are soon going to do that too.
Madam, wait.
We are soon going to do that. Not today, but definitely in a day or two. Because that will take time.
Is the floor? Window. Ma'am.
Okay, one by one. What needs to be cleaned? What do you think you should clean?
Floor. Floor.
Floor. Very good.
Toys table.
Very nice.
जोर से बोलो.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, okay. So because we cleaned our bed and we cleaned our side table, so all the dust, जितनी मिट्टी है, जो कुछ गंदगी थी, everything is on floor now. Everything is on floor, right? Yes or no? हमने सब कुछ झटका ना floor पे. Everything is now on floor. So now even our legs will get dirty. I am sitting on floor, I am getting all dirty. So we need to clean our floor. What are we going to do? We are not going to do mopping. हम पोछा नहीं लगाएंगे, but we are going to do dusting. Okay, jhadu. Very nice. So we are quickly going to dust it. For smaller kids, again, parents give them very small, tiny things to do. Maybe dusting of the window. उसको सिर्फ झटक सकते हैं. Something like that can be done. And another thing which we are going to do is how to clean the mirror. Mirror is important, right? If we every day in the morning we look ourselves in the mirror. कौन-कौन नहीं देखता है mirror के mirror की तरफ? You all look in the mirror? Yes or no? Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is beautiful of the all? Yes? You all do it? Okay. So now quickly we will start. क्या करना है? क्या करना है? What do you do?
झाड़ू.
झाड़ू. Excited? Excited?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. So लेकर आइए झाड़ू जल्दी से. मैम भी लेकर आ रही है झाड़ू जल्दी से. Quickly. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
I see Sai has got the jhadu. I see Suyash has the jhadu. Aishwarya is already doing it. Very good. Who else can I see? Let me see. और किसके पास है? Rachin के पास भी है.
Vedant also, ma'am.
Vedant also. Yes, of course.
जादू है.
के पास भी झाड़ू है. और ओमकार के पास है. आशुतोष.
Yes. Before we start with our jhadu, I have a small dance for you all. So इसके पहले कि हम झाड़ू लगाना start करें, हम एक छोटा सा dance करेंगे. ठीक है? Everyone is ready for the dance?
ये पहले डांस करना है. इधर
डांस करना है. So झाड़ू लेके खड़े हो जाइए. Stand up with the
झाड़ू लेके सामने खड़े हो जाइए.
Okay, I'm not going to play any music. You can sing your favorite song and you have to just dance. Okay?
एक झाड़ू के साथ डांस करना है.
Now hold it with both your hands like this. Hold it with both your hands like this. Do it like shake, shake, shake. Shake. Hold it with both your hands.
And shake it.
Shake, shake, shake. Very nice. Okay. Good. Now you can see ma'am has switched off her fan. Ma'am ने fan switch off किया है. Why? Because if we keep our fan switched on and then we clean, तो सारी मिट्टी यहाँ वहाँ चली जाएगी. So first thing, switch off the fans quickly. जल्दी से fan switch off
पापा वाला
कीजिए.
फैन स्विच ऑफ करा बच्चे. पापा फैन स्विच ऑफ करो ना आपका.
Yes, quickly switch off.
आगे आगे ले जाना, उधर ले जा.
Very nice. And now we are going to start from the corners. Okay? So always start cleaning from the corner. कभी भी center में से start नहीं करते हैं. We clean it from the corners. Okay? So here is my first corner. Bed के side में I have got corner. So I will first clean it from there. So everyone start with the corners. कहाँ पर है आपके घर के corners कहाँ है? रूम के corners कहाँ है? And झाड़ू ऐसे नहीं लगाते. We will not clean it like this. We will clean it like this. Like a swing. In single go.
पेरेंट्स जिनके बच्चे छोटे हैं उनके लिए आप छोटा सा एरिया बना सकते हैं, जस्ट एक कॉर्नर. सो उनके एज के हिसाब से आप देख लीजिए. अगर पूरा रूम बहुत ज्यादा है उनके लिए तो आप एक कॉर्नर सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके?
Exactly. Now first we go to all corners and then we come in the center. सबसे पहले हम corners में जाते हैं, सब कचरा जमा करके center में आ जाते हैं. So get everything in the center. Get everything in the center. Get everything in the center. Now tell me, ये कचरा हम ऐसे उठाएंगे हाथ से, ऐसे उठाना है. कचरा कैसे उठाएंगे? अमितोष, tell me, कचरा कैसे उठाते हैं?
पैन, डस्ट पैन, डस्ट पैन,
लाउडली बोलना पड़ेगा. डस्ट
Dustpan,
डस्ट
Right.
पैन.
right? जिसको सुपली भी कहते हैं. Dustpan, yes, very good, Aishwarya, I can see it. Blue color. Good. Dustpan, good. Now get that dustpan and clean the room very quickly. I can see already Aishwarya doing it so nicely. Manas is doing it so nicely. Oni, very good. Abhiraj, Deepami, very nice. Shreyash, good. Good. Mahi, good. Ishan, good. Atharv, very good.
वेरी गुड बच्चे.
See Sai Niket, I see Omkar, I see all these children, Mahi, Binyamin, कितने अच्छे से कर रहे हैं, एकदम साफ.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sara,
I am done.
very good.
Ma'am,
Very nice.
ma'am,
Yes, Aishwarya.
मैं मम्मी को हेल्प करती हूँ.
Very good. Now that we have cleaned, we need to wash our hands. है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. है ma'am.
है ना? झाड़ू मारा है, डस्टबिन को भी पकड़ा है. So quickly go wash your hands and come quickly after you are done. Always remember, whenever you do any cleaning, you have to go wash your hands and come. Else it can go in your eyes, it can go in your mouth. So wash your hands and come back.
Ma'am, floor is clean.
Very good.
I think Akanksha ma'am has gone to wash her hands. I want all the children to go and wash your hands by the time she comes back. Oh, there she is.
Yes, you have to wash, but you will not, clean it on your clothes. Use a hanky, napkin. Good. I can really see all the kids following instructions so well. The parents supporting them so nicely. Yes, Ishan, you can even wipe your face because I am sure pasina aaya hoga. So just imagine our parents, our mama does so much. We cleaned one room and हमको कितना पसीना आ गया. Oh my God, I'm sweating. So just imagine our mamas, the maids that come at our place. They clean so much every day. Yes, I can see Arjun wiping up his whole face and neck. Good. Good. Okay. Now sit down, all of you. And the parents, I request all the parents and the kids, clap for yourself. Clap. Clap for yourself. Great. Great, all of you. Today you all have done a great job, and what I want you to do is, ma'am क्या चाहती है, that you all should promise me. Ma'am को promise कीजिए even if not dusting or even if not cleaning of the study table or the side table, but every morning and every evening, you should clean your bed before you go off to sleep. हम जहाँ पे सोते हैं, we should always have clean things around, so that उससे नींद भी अच्छी आती है और सपने भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आते हैं. My mom used to tell me, मेरी मम्मा पता है मुझसे ऐसे ही कराती थी. मेरी मम्मा बोलती थी सपने अगर अच्छे आप चाहते हो ना, if you want to have good nice dreams, so you should always sleep in very clean and very good area. अच्छे जगह पे अच्छे से clean होके सोना है. Okay, so once again, all the parents and all the kids, I really want to give you a big hats off and clap for yourself. Okay, I just will take a break. Anyone can please go ahead with. Okay, so yes, Shivani ma'am.
You know, I was just going to say that I want to say thank you to all the parents, because in this group, we have a lot of participants today and mixed ages hain, okay? We don't just have little kids, we don't just have teenagers, we don't just have grown-ups. We have a variety of age groups. So उस हिसाब से अब मैं देख रही हूँ आप सभी कैसे उसको मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं, छोटे बच्चों के पेरेंट्स, बड़े लोगों के पेरेंट्स, which is wonderful. So आप लोगों ने इस सब चीज को अच्छे से मॉडिफाई किया. वेल डन आकांक्षा. आई थिंक दे वर एबल टू ग्रास्प. आई थिंक एवरी एज ग्रुप वाज एबल टू डू इट टुडे. सो वेल डन.
Yes, thank you so much, Shivani ma'am. Also for parents, there is one more thing. So I really hope that the kids enjoyed today's session. It's totally fine. बच्चे छोटे हैं and my face is new to them. So they will take time to get adjust with my face or listen to what I'm trying to tell. But it's okay. Let them take their time. Also, tomorrow we have a laundry day. So prior, why I want to tell you all is that tomorrow we have laundry day. What I want all the parents to do is please keep a lot of mixed clothes, like the dark color, the light colors, mama ke kapde, kuch papa ke kapde, kuch unke kapde. So please collect and keep clothes. And I'm sure, I mean, every day we put machine, so there will not be a lot of clothes, but still I want them to have at least 10 or 12 clothes to separate from, and so the activity will be around it. So make sure that there is combination of dark clothes and light clothes. Unke khud ke kapde, mama papa ke kapde, so they can differentiate between it, and there is a lot of space where they can sit and do the sorting. So that is all I want to tell for tomorrow's session. And it's so good to see all of them, so many new faces, so many old faces, and I really appreciate the kids. Thank you so much, bacha. I really appreciate the kids patience to sit and do, because it's very difficult. जब मम्मा बोलती है तब सुनते नहीं है. So अगर मम्मा की नहीं सुन रहे तो altogether a new face and then listening to it is a difficult task. So yes, thumbs up to the kids. How we do thumbs up? And who will show it to me how we do bye? How we say bye? How we say bye? कैसे करते हैं हम bye?
Like this.
Yes.
And before everybody says bye, I have a small word for parents again. So the next 10 days जो हमने डिजाइन किया है पूरा प्रोग्राम, इस आपको पता है लाइफ स्किल्स पे ही है. But what I wanted was to, I have tried to take the fundamentals of the Montessori approach. Okay, so Montessori approach आप लोगों ने सुना होगा या पढ़ा होगा, you can go online and see. It's a very well proven educators approach. तो हमने क्या किया है, we have tried to curate activities, life skills in a way that हर एज के लिए कहीं ना कहीं हम उस चीज को मॉडिफाई कर पाएंगे. एट द कोर द एक्टिविटी विल रिमेन फॉर एवरीबडी, विल अप्लाई टू एवरीबडी. सो जैसे आज का क्लीनअप डे हुआ, कल का लॉन्ड्री डे होगा, हर दिन हम एक लाइफ स्किल पे इस तरीके से फोकस करें ताकि at the end of the 10 days we have given children about 8 to 10 skills, 8 to 10 activities that they can continue to practice with you at home. Like basics हम बताएंगे, आगे आपको उनके साथ रोज प्रैक्टिस कर करके. Our goal really is that all the children start to become independent at this entire life skills का जो हमारा initiative है. So every time, I think a day before, Akanksha will send you some information. अगर कुछ चाहिए, जैसे आज बताया कि कपड़े निकाल के रखिए, या फिर depending on the activity we'll let you know in advance अगर कुछ हमें materials चाहिए. But everything is available in the home, so it's going to be everything that you have, just with a focused approach to teach children 1 to 2 skills every session. So we don't want to overwhelm them. Okay, we don't want to give so many things that it's also difficult for children to learn sometimes online, as you all know. तो हम चाहते हैं कि हम छोटे छोटे skills लें, simplify as much as we can, but इतना करें कि at the end of the 10 days you know you can create your own program forever. मतलब इस चीज को आप लें and it becomes a program for you forever at home, no matter if the child is 5 or 3 or 15 or 21. Correct? That is what I wanted to say कि हमारा जो हमने content बनाया है ये Montessori approach के ऊपर base करके बनाया है, and at the same time Akanksha is definitely going to try her best to make it fun for the children. So learning भी होगा, fun भी होगा, मजा भी आएगा, and I hope all of you continue for the next 10 days. Okay,
Yes.
because it's important. All right, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
I want to see all the kids, all the 70, 75 students, the kids which were there today. I want to see all their faces tomorrow. And every day I promise, जैसे आपने मुझे promise किया that you are going to make your bed. So I also promise one thing, that every day it's going to be a fun session. You will have a lot of fun and you will also enjoy. Okay. So yes, good to see you all. Take
Yes,
care.
सबको आना है कल फिर से. थक नहीं गए ना सब?
Thank you, ma'am.
अभी बहुत
I
कुछ
just hope they are not tired. And parents, please do let me know if the kids are doing it personally
Thank
on
you,
group.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ishan.
Thank you,
Personally
ma'am.
on group, your feedback is most welcome. And
मैम,
you
आकांक्षा
can
मैम,
approach. Yes, ma'am.
जैसे पोचा लगाता है अक्षत तो खड़े होके ना पैर से लगाता है, तो बिठा के इसको स्क्वेटिंग पोजीशन में जैसे पोचा लगाते हैं बच्चे, तो वैसे सिखाया जाए. ये मैम वो डस्टर लेके ऐसे ऐसे रेड़ता रहता है. हाउ टू डू दैट? हाँ.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am will definitely help you out with this. We are going to focus on things which they can independently do. Mirror cleaning hai, ya windows hai, everything like that. So we'll definitely look into it. And also now that we have finally met, even though virtually, so parents, you are most welcome for any kind of feedback, for any kind of suggestion on group. Personally, do let us know how the kids felt today, because it's very important for them to be comfortable and for them to be happy with us. So the suggestions are most welcome. And yes, Dave, yes, bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye all. Bye
Bye,
bye.
Manas. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye to all the kids and the parents.
Bye.
All the dads.
Bye, ma'am.